Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuit gravy. This classic, comforting dish is a staple in many homes, perfect for a hearty breakfast or brunch. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your simple ingredients to achieving that perfect, velvety texture. Get ready to transform basic pantry items into a rich, flavorful gravy that will elevate any biscuit. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or, for extra flavor, bacon fat. Next, have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour ready, which will be our thickening agent. For the creamy base, 2 cups of whole milk work best. Don't forget your seasonings. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A sturdy whisk and a medium saucepan will be your best friends for this recipe. Now let's dive into the preparation. First, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter or bacon fat in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the 2 tablespoons of flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste, and serve hot over your favorite warm biscuits. Here are a few tips for achieving perfect biscuit gravy every time. For the richest and creamiest texture, always opt for whole milk. Make sure to cook your flour for at least 1 minute after adding it to the fat. This removes any raw flour taste. When incorporating the milk, whisk constantly and gradually to prevent any lumps from forming. Don't be afraid to adjust the seasoning to your liking. For a heartier meal, consider adding cooked, crumbled sausage to your gravy for a delicious variation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.